Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial, and this is an eyeshadow look, and I use the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Sapphire, and these are the three colors I'm using for this tutorial. So I'm going in the outer corner of my eye with the darkest blue, and I'm just patting it as much as possible and just depositing as much color on the corner of my eye as I can. And guys, the eyeshadow bases that I have are actually a combination of 3 products. So first I put on my concealer as the base of my eye, which is the NW40. And then I put in the soft ochre paint pot, which I've used from MAC before, on top of that. And then I set it with a translucent powder by Mercier. And right now I'm going in with the lighter blue shade from the Obsessions palette. And I'm blending that towards my brow bone. And now I'm going back in with the darker color and just blending it with both of the colors. Going back in with some of that blue. Sorry guys, in this video I was using a new lens, so you can see my face go in and out of the frame, which I know is annoying. So I apologize for that in advance. Here I am, I'm putting concealer over my eyelid. I'm putting concealer over my eyelid. And this is not really a cut crease, this is something I do just to get the colors to show up. And I'm using this angled brush from Real Techniques. So I'm going in with the lighter green color from the palette and I'm putting that on my lid. And I sprayed it with some Fix Plus just to see if I wet it more, would I get more payoff? Because this color is not as, I don't know if the word's vibrant or as deep, or is it doesn't show as much as the other colors. So I tried to build it up as much as I could. So I'm taking in this MAC brush and blending my lid into the colors that are in the corner of my eye. We're doing, and also you guys see in my waterline I have this lime green color. Well, I used the mega liner from Sephora to line my waterline to match my lid. I feel like it widened my eyes a bit and it made the look a little more dramatic, which I thought was really cute. So I'm doing the same method that I did with my other eye. I started out with the deep blue color in the corner of my eye and then I blended that up. See, that's the mega liner right there that I used in my waterline that I'm using for my lid there. And then I'm going in with the lime green again. So I'm just patting that in over my lid. And I'm trying to use the mega liner to build up the color, but it made it super patchy, so I was like panicking. I was like, I need to fix this. It looks a mess. But I just tried to put as much of the eyeshadow on top of it as possible. As you can see, I'm just trying to fix it. So now I'm going in with my Lorac Mascara. And you guys know my routine if you've watched my other videos. I use 2 mascaras to, you see me going back in with my eyeshadow, but I use 2 mascaras to line my, what is it called? Your eyelashes, because I don't wear fake lashes. In this tutorial, I attempted to put on fake lashes, but it didn't turn out successful. So I edited it out of the video, but I use Telescopic and Lorac Mascara to basically double up my mascara on my eyelashes. just to give me more volume. Now I'm going in and lining my eyes with the NYX Epic Liner Pen, which this time it was pretty successful. I'm proud of myself. Never this seamless on camera. Now I'm going in with my NW40 with that same angle brush I used earlier, and I am cleaning up my eyeliner. I'm just blending that out with an eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques. Let's take a moment to admire these eyes. Fleeky. Looks great. I'm so proud of myself. Yes. And we're gonna go on with my foundation. I mixed NW48 Studio Fix Fluid with the Maybelline Fitme and Mocha. And guys, would you believe I forgot to prime my face? I didn't realize it till later on, but I stayed in the house that day, so it really didn't matter. Using my EcoTools foundation brush to blend up my foundation. I know I didn't mention this, but I forgot to. I did my brows off of camera. Maybe I'll do a video just of my eyebrow routine. I need to wax them too before I do that. Here I am going in with my NW40 concealer. You guys already know this is my favorite brush from MAC. It'll be listed down below in the description. And this is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Amande. I'm feeling myself, as you can see. And I'm gonna go in and use my finger to use the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator as a contour for my cheeks, the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. Well, not the bridge of my nose, the sides of my nose. I'm gonna go back in with my favorite brush to further blend my contour. Now I'm lining my lips with this NYX, no, this is not NYX, it's a Wet n Wild Kohl liner pencil in Mink. And I'm going in with a MAC lip glass, it's called Ravishing. And that's how I got my lip color for this look. So I'm going to use two of the Laura Mercier translucent powders, the one in medium deep and also translucent. I'm going to mix them. In that little cap, that's as much product as I use to set my concealer and highlight. And I'm gonna go in with this ebony bronzer from Covergirl Queen to set everywhere that I contour. And I'm gonna set my face with MAC Plus and matte. And guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching my video and staying tuned. Please follow me on my other social media, guys, and share with me what you like. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.